Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can submit your home evaluation in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open the weekly challenge, and as you can see here, we need to submit a home evaluation to complete weekly challenge of the Dreamlight cinematic event week 3. And I'm going to show you guys how you can submit a home evaluation. Okay, first of all, you need to go to the watch menu and you're going to open the developers guild. Then click on this icon, evaluate icon or evaluate menu, and you just need to click on submit. Okay. Oh, wait, I'm going to go to my home. I'm going to go to this room. Okay, and I'm going to submit it. Okay, click on submit. Oh, I've already submitted, and the results will be revealed in 2 days. Okay guys, and that's how we can submit the home evaluation. If you want to check the result, you just need to go to the mailbox. Go to your mailbox and you will get the home evaluation right here. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.